I just plugged in this webcam. I opened the software immediately. It said there's a firmware update available, so I did the firmware update. It looks like the colors are actually a bit better after the firmware update. Now, I do want to punch in a bit, so I'm going to do that in the software. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. And that's pretty good. Let's just rotate it a little bit. All right, there we go. So this is the EMEET C960 Ultra. I think this is a new webcam from EMEET, so I don't even know what the price is. I will tell you that they sent it to me so I could make this video, and I'm just testing it out. So let's go ahead and run through some standard tests with lighting. This is what it looks like with all of the lights turned off. The only light is from my computer monitors. And I just went ahead and turned on the overhead lights. So I just have some LED lights overhead. If you're in a normal bedroom or something like that, it's going to look like this with the shadows going down. Now to check the highlight clipping, let me turn on a side light so it's bouncing off the wall. I'm going to just point it at my face to get a really bright light shining directly in my face. So if you look right here on my lovely forehead, you can kind of see where it's super bright. So you want to be looking for like white pixels, anything that's kind of blown out. But let's go ahead, and this is pretty bright. As far as autofocus goes, I've got this Fisherman's Friend box. Wow, looks like it's focusing really fast. Okay, we are about 5 inches away, 4 inches away. Looks like the 3 to 4 inch mark is where it kind of does not focus anymore. Let's check out the text on the back. All right, can you read that? I sure can. Lots of warnings with these cough drops. Thankfully, I haven't had to use them in a while. Let's try something a little bit less cough droppy and a little bit more colorful. And it looks like it is focusing really fast, and that is not bad. The colors seem nice and accurate. If I move to the side, is my face blurry? Yeah, my face is blurry if I move to the side, just like a DSLR camera. Look at that. That's pretty. That's what you want in a webcam, or any camera, I guess, for that matter. So this is the C960 Ultra, and here's kind of a closer look at it. 4K, 30 frames per second. It does have a privacy cover. It kind of snaps into place. Really quite satisfying, actually. The webcam is a metal cover, or so it feels. Pretty, yeah, it's cool. That's metal. It's got a heavy duty mount here, and you can tilt it forward and back, and you can turn it left and right. Whoa, and it looks like doing that made it get kind of loose. So that is something you will need to be aware of. Let me go ahead and tighten this back up, and you plug it into USB-C in the back like that. Let's go ahead and check out the software real quick. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. It looks like you can kind of change the modes. I'm not sure what any of these are, but you can customize. So if you want to, let's say we'll do saturation all the way down if you want to be black and white, or if you want to change your tone a bit, ultra saturated, you can do that as well. Let's go back to default. This normal mode and preview mode, this is for the software. So say you have this up in OBS or something and you want preview mode, you can do that, or I guess turn off preview. So you could be running the webcam in different software. We've got different filters as well, which are the same as the effects apparently. We can rotate, we can flip, we can zoom in. So if I want to kind of punch in like this, that is how we would zoom in. Got whiteboard mode. Not really sure what that even is. And then with assistance, we can zoom in all the way. This is zoomed out all the way, and let me go ahead and get to that. Looks pretty good. And you can take screenshots and video as well. So here is the software. Something we have not tested yet is the audio. So let me switch over to the webcam audio. Ta-da! This is what the mic sounds like on the webcam. Let's see if it has noise cancellation. Got this Razer. Let me turn it on right now. It is on. I am talking over it. I don't know what you can hear. I will let you decide for yourself. turn this off. How it sounds, you can decide if it sounds nice or not. I'm about maybe 2 feet away from the webcam, so not super close, but not far away either. I don't really know what else to say. I don't want to share my opinion about it. I don't want to talk about the price because I don't know the price, but this is EMEET new webcam. I've shown you what it looks like. I've let you listen to the audio. Hopefully this video helped.